My name is Travis Motal, and I'm the Interim Superintendent for Liberty Hill ISD. Last week, the district leadership team shared a budget update with our school board after the conclusion of this legislative session and the passing of several education-related laws. Our team has worked diligently with campus staff to identify budget cut areas in an effort to reach our goal of a balanced budget for the 25-26 school year. Unfortunately, this has proven difficult to fully reach this goal. In total, over the last 2 years, we've cut over $10 million from the Liberty Hill ISD budget. The funding for public education allotted from this legislative session begins to fill in these cuts, but does not allow us to begin adding positions and programs back. The road forward will be tough, but not impossible. We'll work together to ensure our students continue to be champions in academics, character, and community, and our staff is supported in the best way possible. Please read below to stay informed and stay connected with us on this budget session as we continue to try to strive for a balanced budget. Thank you.